I swear I think it's like almost every video I do I have to get gas, but yeah, so I need to tone it down. Let me go and put it back in tour mode. We'll just chill and talk. But yeah, so how y'all been? Welcome back to another video. I ain't gonna lie to you, I almost there. I almost went without making a video. Y'all won't get no upload on this Monday. But like I said, let me suck it up. Let me go on and do this video. Let me stay consistent. It's gonna pay off. But yeah, so I didn't even know what to record. I didn't even have nothing to record because I really just got home. I've been gone all day. I left this morning. I went, as y'all know from the last video, or one of the other videos, I said something about me. I'm supposed to be getting married next year and stuff. So yeah, so today I had to go take these pictures, like the, engagement, pictures and stuff like that. So that's what I did today. I went and took them engagement pictures, and then after that, but yeah, so went and took them engagement pictures and stuff. Alright, yeah, so I had to stop the video, but what was I saying? I think I was saying something about we went to go take the pictures, and then we had to go look look for some dresses and stuff. Not for me. I don't wear no dress, but we had to go look dress shopping and stuff. Man, but oh my god, I told y'all now my gas like I ain't gonna lie, when I stopped the video I did hit the gas real quick, but that's probably why it came on. But yeah, so took the pictures, we got something to eat, we went to Zaxby, we got something to eat on, left there, went dress shopping, and yeah, so we been at it all day. Literally just got back, not an hour ago. Already back in the car again. I'm just doing this video. I gotta get something uploaded. But while we was on the way dress shopping, on the way back from dress shopping, actually going in back, I think it was the same car I seen that all black Charger, that cat. Those of you that know me, because I don't think I have any videos on my channel from the black Charger. I don't think I do. I think the videos I did have, I think I turned around and deleted them videos. I think I deleted, because see, y'all don't know, I've been doing YouTube actually on and off for like a couple years, on and off. It's like I post probably a couple times and I'm done. But yeah, so I done been through so many cars while I was doing YouTube on and off and stuff. So I went back and I deleted all of them videos, which I wish I would never did it, because I really want to see them videos bad. And I don't even have access to. I don't have nothing. But yeah, so I don't think y'all seen that Charger unless you follow me. Well, you might, if you follow me on TikTok, maybe Instagram, I might have, I don't know. But yeah, so I had a black Charger. Y'all, we done went through this already on the other video, but I seen one today. Boy, it done brought back memories, son. I seen that joke. I ain't no cat. I had a 392, but boy, that 392 it looked close to a cat when I had it. But that one I seen today, that joker just looked so good. I ain't gonna lie to you, I want one. Who did a burnout on this road? This a fresh burnout. That's fresh. Ooh, I need brakes. I need brakes. But anyways, yeah, like I was saying, bro, these brakes ain't that bad. But yeah, like I was saying, I seen that black cat, and I got to have me one. Man, I got to have me one. I almost went back to a 392 from what y'all seen from the last video, but I told myself I ain't gonna go back to a 392. If I go back to Mopar, it'd be a cat, but man, I got to have one sometime soon. Let's see. But yeah, I gotta have me a cat, man. But, yeah, so I wish I could have just seen it. I ain't recorded. I wasn't in the mood to record. I was just, going with the flow, just chilling today. Today was actually pretty cool. It was a nice day. Nice old Sunday. Now it's time to get back to the work days. Man, we're gonna make it fly by. We're gonna make it fly by though. Get the next weekend. Hopefully next weekend be a good weekend. I gotta figure out what I wanna do to upload Friday coming up for y'all. Like, I don't really have no viewers like that. Nobody let me know what to do, so it's all on me right now. But I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and get out the car for a minute. I'm over here at the house. At my brother's house. Might get out and play ball real quick with my nephew real quick. Play ball, shoot around real quick, Cause I ain't been over here all weekend. Cause it was just busy weekend. So I'm gonna get out, play ball a little bit, and yeah, I might give y'all a little point of view drive. That's what I might do. Let me check my GoPro right now while I'm thinking about it. Cause if it ain't charged, I can charge it up while I'm here. And don't tell me it's dead. How I died just sitting here? It really died just sitting here. Is my charger in here? Oh yeah, my charger in here though. So yeah, what I'm about to do is I'm about to go in the house. Plug this GoPro up, let it charge up for a little bit while I'm here. And when I leave, make sure it's kind of dark when I leave, so when I do leave, I can give y'all a little point of view drive at night. That's probably how I'm gonna end the video off. Even though I need gas, I got enough to make it home, give y'all a little pulls and stuff. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. Well, y'all gonna catch the point of view drive right now in a minute. Beside me, so y'all can get a good view of everything. It's hard to drive like this. Trying my best. It's hard to hold it and drive at the same time. 25 miles to Indy. So I'm just gonna be it right here. Brakes hot right now. I know these brakes hot. Who's that? Yes, sir. Alright, so that's it for this video. Y'all stay tuned for the next videos that I got coming. And yeah, it's gonna get better from here on out. It's just, like I said before, I'm in a tight spot right now, so I'm trying to make do with what I got. So y'all bear with me, stay tuned for, next content I got coming up, and I'll see y'all in the next one.